Yeah, because a lot of rough edges before. It's almost like it's vibrating, but still it's taking out those massive dents left by the chainsaw. There's still a lot more. And all that was like burnt from the flap disc, so that's now not burnt. If you can sort of see there, it's still burnt. And that was burnt pretty bad. It's like burnt on the top of all these. Like there's really bad. That's how it was burnt, so. And you can see how rough it is in here. And it's, you know, it's not going to look good. So the dents and divots have to all come out. Probably find a better grinding tool maybe to get it down a bit flatter, because the grain just doesn't look any good when it's like all, it just doesn't have continuity. And see, that's still rough as hell, but like, I mean, it looks like it was vibrating there, but still there was like big dings. So you can see big dings there. Well, that's got to come out. Still see big dings in here, there, but a lot of them are gone now. So it takes so long to do these things, I guess. That's why it's $1 million a piece. Oh, you want to pay for this one? You can pay. It costs you $1 million. Yep. There you go. Eat that.